cut this pretty large bay tree in half with my mill, and here's some pretty good examples of CODIT, compartmentalization of decay in trees. So trees can't heal themselves, but they cut off decay. So as you see here, at some point something worked its way in here, tree closed it off on all four sides, and then just keeps growing around it if it can. Here's another little tiny example. Here's an old branch. It's a good example too. So this wood's good. This wood's no good. That's why sometimes trees are hollow in the base, but not up top.